So this is for y'all's New Year's Eve to New Year's Day, because y'all gonna get turned, right?
New Year's Day.
So this will be a 24-hour, 25-hour, 48 hours.
It'll last you through breakfast, guaranteed.
For the day after, for the new year.
Your midnight shots and your brunch mimosas. I have a bunch of mini primers. I have dry skin. Yeah. Do you do brows first?
Yeah, I do actually. I like to do brows first because I always have to conceal and fix my mess.
Oh, yeah,
so
yeah.
the Wonder Brow is hella expensive, but it works, and this lasts through faces and pillows and through hands. Your brow.
Other faces.
Okay. The trick is with the Wonder Brow, you gotta let it sit on your brow for a while and get tacky, because what I like to do, I used to just get my brush on it. I just got so lazy that I just put it straight on. So for foundation, if it's 24 hours, I really love the Make It Forever Full Cover Concealer. Sometimes I use this on my whole face because it's waterproof and I sweat.
Make It Forever so good.
Yeah, but if I want a foundation, I use the Urban Decay All Nighter. This has lasted me all night, all day, 24 hours. I wake up the next day. It's a little oily, just blotch your face, but she's good. But since it's New Year's Eve, we're gonna mix both of them.
Hey, get wild, get crazy.
I mean, I'm not even gonna be here New Year's, but...
No, you're not. She's not.
I'm going to the Philippines, you guys.
Yeah.
To my grandma. Under my eyes, I use the Instant Age Rewind in Illuminator.
I know it's kind of crazy to just be like hitting my face with my fingers, but this blends really well.
So I'm use an angled brush to my brows. Feels tacky enough. Oh yeah, don't wait too long like I just did, or it'll get hard and not move.
Oh no.
Great.
I use ABH Granite Brow Powder Duo.
Right now I'm gonna use a ColourPop Brow Boss in dark brown to go over the sparse areas of my brow. We just finished our brows. They're off camera because we don't have time for this full cover.
Priming it.
So I usually do concealer after foundation, so I don't know why I'm doing it before. So let's get into that.
Do shimmer first.
Okay.
Let's go crazy. Let's defy conventions. Oh, I'm gonna use some glitter shimmer. You know what? I'm gonna put it on after I blended the mattes.
Yeah.
Damn! So me and Monique went to the same high school.
Yes.
But we never, ever hung out, talked to each other.
We were so different
never.
groups.
Yeah, we were just like on different planets.
She was all the cool Asians.
That's hilarious.
And I was in choir. I was choir. Department president. No. Yeah, but show choir was my life because I had no life. So.
And then one of our mutual friends brought her to
she had a show.
Solo show.
Hell yeah.
In April.
Thank you, Ero.
Yeah,
Ero.
And then we just hit it off.
Yeah. I was like, yo, this chick, she's fucking awesome. And I need her in my life. Move on to eyes. Alright, I'm gonna use the Hard Candy Glitterazzi Duo in Aurora Skies.
Bomb. I
love it. This will be like my primer. Oh, that's dark. This is also the first time I'm using this particular shade. But, oh wow. A little pigment.
My ride or die eyeshadow, eye product, eye color brands are Anastasia Beverly Hills and Lime Crime.
Lime Crime. I was
Lime
gonna
Crime. I'm their whore. Like, I'm wet over Lime Crime.
Yeah.
A little spooky.
I'm gonna go for like a purpley. I'm always going for purple because my eye shade is brown, and I read in 17 magazine one time that purple makes brown eyes pop. I'm gonna go with up here, this purpley shade. This purpley. And that's gonna be my crease shade.
So with monoliths, I feel like placement is everything.
Oh yeah.
Like you have to be so careful. At the same time, all you have to do is really like pay attention to your eye shape. The thing is, like, we all have a socket.
Yeah.
So you kind of just like follow that as your guideline. You know what I'm thinking?
Yeah. This is an e.l.f. angled contour brush. I'm gonna use this fleshy-ish color because I got lots of sparkle going on, so I shouldn't use a sparkle color for my highlighting shade because that'd be a lot.
I'm trying to get I'm looking a hot mess right now. It's okay.
It's okay. Once you have
Stick
liner
with me. We'll salvage this because I don't use liner and I don't use false lashes.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
So,
I can help you then.
no, I really need to like mind my business and like do what I gotta do.
Now, we're gonna pop this other side onto the lid. It's glitter, so I just want to tap it in because if you spread it, you're gonna move all the eyeshadow and hard work you did.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Source.
Oh, nice! They all stayed intact. I hear.
Did you finish your eye look?
Kind of. Okay, actually, let me go back. We're gonna take the same color and put it under our eye.
I feel like what I channel for New Year's Eve is like, dare you to come close.
Ooh.
Like, dare you.
Oh. I hate it.
Oh no.
So, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna improvise, and we're gonna take my highlighter that I love to use.
Yes, yes.
The Master Holographic from
Yes.
Maybelline. It's a holographic type of shade. I used to use this just on its own in the summertime because it's like two-tone, pink and purple. And we're gonna put that on our lid because this glittery side is so glittery and not doing what I wanted to do. There we go. Help me out a lot more.
Nice.
I like it because in certain lights you can see two shades. Those are my favorite types of eyeshadows. I mean, it's the highlighter, but I use it as an eyeshadow. Because ¿por qué no los dos?
This is like, these kind of brushes are like my best friend. They're like fluffy, flat. Like they're really good for people who don't have a lot of lid space. Yeah. Yo, this Wet n Wild brush hits. Like it fucking hits.
Wet n Wild is a great fucking brand.
Yes.
Before
They know what they're doing.
Yeah. They had an eyeshadow palette that I fucking love. I think it's Pedal Pusher.
Dude, their eyeshadows are bomb too.
Yeah, they're really good. Okay, so even if you do a horrible job on your eyeshadow, as long as you put your liner okay and some lashes, no one will really see it. I always hear great things about the Kat Von D tattoo liner, so I'm trying it out right now. But also, a drugstore alternative that I like that stays on all night is the Wet n Wild H2O Proof, which is this one. The only problem with the H2O Proof is that if you line it and you like open your eyes like this and it touches the top part of your lid, it kind of transfers. So that's the only downfall with this one if your eyes are oily.
Yo, I used to rock the thickest liner in high school.
Same.
Like it was my signature.
I do like a thick line and put glitter shadow over top.
See, I didn't even know that much.
Oh.
I just used Maybelline Black Gel Liner,
Oh yeah, that was the one.
and it was definitely a look.
Yeah.
It was definitely like scare all your guy friends.
I would spend hours in the bathroom doing my makeup.
Class.
Oh yeah, me too
Like,
actually.
she
And they
would
would
stare at me,
yeah.
But I always knew what period to do it in. It was gonna be
Oh.
the period where like they weren't gonna fuck with me, you know? They
Oh.
would just, they're just gonna look at me but never say anything.
Oh nice.
And like I can take that. I can take it. I can't take the confrontation with the teacher. I'll like cry at that age, but I could do like a stare and like a looking away.
Okay, the Make It Forever HD powder is what I like to use as well. There's flashback, so I also have Laura Mercier in my bag, so you should use that. But this helps for if you're not going to use flash, and if you need all night sweat-proof stuff, this is good.
I think what I try to do with my eyeshadow is take my eyes that are like this and alter them so they're like this. It's all an illusion.
It's all an illusion.
Stop.
Oh, sorry.
You're good.
Okay, and then I like to just take a fluffier brush to take off all the... Oh, if you need dry shampoo, just put that in your hair. Looks like a charm. Okay, start this out. Alright, I like to contour my face like crazy because, yeah, been a chip girl all my life. I got this angled brush at Daiso, and it's one of the best brushes I've ever used.
Oh, Daiso.
Daiso. And I like to use this fluffier side towards the back, which needs more product, and then this shorter end towards the front. Okay, do that here. After you get this part, you see how your chin, double chin.
I do learn this.
It's all about shadows and highlighting. So you see how this creates a shadow here? You want to put concealer or something to make this brighter. So I'm gonna go back in with my foundation. I'm gonna apply this to the place of the shadow. And then once you're done with that, I use the Park Princess Tarte bronzer. This stuff is waterproof too.
Damn, the bronzers?
Mm-hmm.
That's hilarious.
I mean, I think I one time used this in water, like in the Philippines. And it's still not pretty well. Okay, and then I'm gonna go down in my jawline and create a different shadow.
I really need to sharpen this pencil. I've been procrastinating it, and I'm at that point where I'm gonna stab my eye.
No.
Ah!
Oh yeah, you need to sharpen that, girl.
I know.
I like to take it down my neck, so it's camouflaged. Illusions. So I did the left side of my face. Now we'll do the right side. Contour. I'll use my blush, which is the Tarte Amazonian Clay and Natural Beauty, right? And let's go in. Focus on the apples. And then I blend it up here to blend with the contour. Heavy ass contour I did.
I love blush.
Me too. Just gives me some life. Make it look like so shiny.
What'd you say to me?
Oh my god, you're talking to me?
Okay. Last thing I'm gonna do is just line my lash line with black. I don't really use eyeliner these days. I just use eyeshadow. Just because I'm lazy and don't want to open another product. And also, like, what else am I supposed to do with black eyeshadow? You know what I mean? All my black eyeshadow is gonna outlive me.
The Tarte fan brush. Shout out to Elizabeth who gave me all these products.
Hey, so who's Elizabeth and where can we get an Elizabeth?
Elizabeth Garcia. There's only one that I know of. You hooked it up on my birthday, and I was like, oh,
Oh,
I cried.
sick.
I was so happy.
That's awesome.
I was like, you know me so well. Okay, I usually don't even use this highlighter as a highlighter for my cheekbones. I use it right here. Well, I'm gonna change it up. Just do it anyway because blush brush. Bleh. Blush brush. Blush brush, blush brush, blush. Tongue twister. Can you
Blush,
say
brush, blush,
say-
brush, blush,
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 brush,
brush,
brush, brush,
blush, brush, brush, brush.
Say Irish wristwatch.
Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch.
That's it.
Irish wristwatch. Whoa, my jaw does not like that.
Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch. Irish wristwatch.
Irish wristwatch.
Okay, then we go back with the highlighter brush to blend out the inner highlight. You know what? We're gonna go crazy. We're gonna add some oiliness to our nose. Why did I do that?
We love that Rudolph look.
I like to highlight under here and then at the tip of the top. I get hella oily, so I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's New Year's, so
So why not?
why not? I like to use these lashes. Shout out to my cousin Sydney who showed me these. They're my ABG lashes and, from Daiso. You can get on Amazon, number 4, and I can reuse them a bunch. And I like to use the Duo Lash Glue, the dark tone Duo Lash Glue. This stuff works, and I think it's waterproof. I also like to put mascara on before, and the Lash Blast, CoverGirl Lash Blast is my go-to. This is an old one, so it's a little dried out. But I also use the falsies.
I love dry mascara though.
Yeah.
Like I used to use the falsies. That was actually my like religious mascara.
Yeah, it was good, like especially after it dries out and stuff.
That's what I'm saying.
It
Is
works
like
well.
I would pop it open and like leave it for 2 weeks and let it like ripen.
Nice,
Before
yeah.
I was ready to use it.
But if you want real waterproof stuff, the Lash Blast is my go-to.
Mine is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal.
Ooh, I didn't know that.
I've been waiting for like another mascara to really do it for me, but this one is it.
Put this on my lashes.
I'm putting on so much mascara just to wash it off later.
And this is my trick, to have these lashes stay on all day, all night, to the next day. I actually put this on my lid. I don't know if that's recommended. Probably not. Probably really damaging and you'll get wrinkles, but it works. So I put a lot near the front because that's where I tear up the most if I ever cry. Then a lot on the ends because that's where it always comes off a lot of the time. But this method always keeps my lashes on till the next day. You kind of gotta tear them off. And it's dark tone, so I won't fuck up your liner. So,
I'm just popping some silver into my inner corners.
oh yeah, lighten it up.
Got some right here to the highest part of my lid.
Mm-hmm.
Help give them more dimension. I wish I got my star stamp.
Oh, I have it.
Oh, you do?
No.
Sick. You can put it on
It
your
like
face.
stamped and it really didn't move.
Yeah, like it won't move.
I got this like dry mascara one at Glossier and it's so good. So just stock up on these. Go there like you're buying something and literally just get things and put them in your bed. Like all through high school, I would spend hours just watching makeup tutorials. Okay, I'm gonna make my wing longer. Wish me luck.
This is Mood Exposure by Hourglass. Ambient lighting blush. It's like the minis. I think it's like $15.
I have a great price.
This color's sweet. Oh, yeah.
I gotta make this equally as thick. I like the NYX Pump It Up Lip Plumper. Yeah. But if you're gonna be kissing someone on New Year's Eve, I suggest the Burt's Bees chapstick in the lip balm.
This is a Lime Cry
Alright.
Cougar. It's like a taupey, cool tone brown. I did nothing.
You really want to spray the contour and blush part. Oh, she wet! Or if it didn't set and I want it matte, I go back in with the Make It Forever Self-Sun product here, and I just set all that because I'm oily. T-zone, especially the center of my face. I always sweat my upper lip, so I have to go there. And then I like to put a star. My Chinese name is Xing Xing, which means shine shine.
Nice!
So
That's so cute.
put it right.
Sheen sheen.
Ooh, yes, milk.
Sick.
Whoops. Oh, well, it's okay. All right.
So this is our New Year's Eve look.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
So this is how it came out. I don't really do too many makeup videos, but maybe we're starting in 2020.
Oh yeah, 2020.
My makeup Instagram is rose.monolidmakeup.
My Instagram is at AYOMOMO, AYYOMOMO.
And if we're not doing makeup, what do you do?
I sing or I act, so that's also fun. So,
Yes, at AMomo.
at Rose Kim.
And mine is, Rose K1M. I'm an actor, director, producer. I run a theater company. It's called Art Rad.
All right.
Popping off.
Finish look.
Popping off.
Pop off.
New Year's popping off.
New Year's Eve.
We'll just clink stars.
Get it.
Cheers.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, everything. I don't know. Do the bell notification. Okay.